and thank you for joining us for another yet great episode here today on Culinary Image. Guys, today's episode is really special because neither will I be cooking, showcasing, or sharing any of my recipes. So what are we gonna do today on this show? I've decided to collaborate and showcase and display some of the greatest talents out here in Dubai who have the passion for cooking and baking. They're not necessarily chefs, they come from different careers and backgrounds, but they have never stopped their passion and love for cooking. So I said to myself, what better way to display their culture, their cooking traditions on my cooking show. So I've decided to invite my first guest, who happens to be from China, and she is an amazing cook. As a profession, she's a professional real estate broker here in Dubai for the last few years. And I think it would be best to let her take over so she could tell us what she's all about. So thank you for being with us, Bianca, and please go ahead and take over.
Thank you for inviting me on Culinary Image. I will take over from here. Hi, I'm Bianca. I'm from Szechuan, China, where the panda is from. Yes, I'm from the panda city, Chengdu. Today I'm gonna to show you one of my favorite dish, which is called mala ji, spicy pungent chicken. What makes the Szechuan cuisine is outstanding of any other Chinese cuisine. The differences is the Szechuan pepper, which give you this flavor, taste of the pungent, which you will feel your mouth, your tongue is the pungent flavor. Why I love this dish so much is the texture, the smell, the flavor, and it's easy to cook. Any of you can cook at home. So now let's not waste your time. Let me show you how it gets done. Okay, now let's boil for 25 minutes, like 20 to 25 minutes. That the flavor comes out, as well as to remove the blood, as well make the chicken tender. chicken, we are stir fry with all other ingredients together. Okay guys, now it's ready. Let's taste how is it. It's amazing. I hope you will enjoy the recipe. Thank you.
So thank you, Bianca, for having this food delivered here to us, to my house. I see you enjoyed it. Now let me take my first bite and see how this chicken is. This Szechuan peppered spice chicken. Make sure I get some of that chicken. Bianca, you have outdone yourself once again. This is amazing. It's so savory. The pungent that you're talking about from the Szechuan peppers, you could feel that on your tongue and kicking in your mouth on that first bite. And I love the way how the sauce has just coated itself all over the chicken. And you are right, the dry chili flakes are not hot at all, but instead they give your dish a nice smoky flavor instead. So wow, I'm impressed. Thank you so much for this amazing recipe, and hopefully we could see you and have you again on my channel with yet another great recipe. Thank you.